Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Sonia from BPT department. Today I will discuss topic Parkinson. So what is Parkinson? Parkinson is a chronic progressive neurodegenerative movement disorder. However, it is now known to have a variety of non-motor symptoms as well. Major symptoms, 4 major symptoms होते हैं: tremors, rigidity, akinesia and postural instability. Other motor symptoms like gait, dystonia, hypophonia, drooling, dysphagia and fatigue. नॉन मोटर सिम्टम्स में आते हैं मूड, 20 to 80% सफ़र फ्रॉम डिप्रेशंस, बिहेवियर indirectly, example a result of dementia, depressions, excessive daytime sleep, vision problem, impaired proprioceptions, weight loss, incontinency, constipations and drooling. Primary non-cause, idiopathic, majority of cases. Second is genetic. Third is drug-induced calcium channel blockers. And fourth is head trauma. Diagnosis क्या है? PET scan, decreased dopaminergic activity in the substantia nigra, normal CT scan and normal MRI. History. Parkinson was first described in detail by James Parkinson in 1817 in an essay on the shaking palsy. Carlson in 1950 determined that dopamine was a neurotransmitter and was exceptionally concentrated in the basal ganglia. ट्रीटमेंट देखें तो 4 टाइप से ट्रीटमेंट है: एजुकेशंस, एक्सरसाइज, न्यूट्रिशंस एंड साइकेट्रिक काउंसलिंग. ट्रीटमेंट: oral medications like L-Dopa, levodopa, most popular treatment. Form of dopamine which is able to cross the blood-brain barrier through transport in LAA system and can then be metabolized to dopamine. Sinemet, levodopa plus carbidopa. Oral medications में देते हैं MAO-B inhibitors, dopamine agonistic और COMET inhibitors. सर्जिकल प्रोसीजर में देखें तो डीप वेन थ्रोम्बोसिस, creating a lesions in subthalamic nucleus or globus pallidus. Thank you.